is now multipolar because China is rising, Russia is challenging the West, new powers are emerging. But here is the real question. Does the rise of more powers automatically make the world multipolar? Not necessarily. And IR theory makes an important distinction. In strategic studies, polarity is not about how many powerful countries exist. It is about how power is distributed in the international system. Who has the ability to shape global outcomes, who can project military power globally, who controls finance, technology, institutions, and alliances, and that distribution determines polarity. There are three types of systems. Unipolarity, which means one dominant power. इसकी एग्जाम्पल है 1991 के बाद यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स का कोई भी सीरियस कंपेटिटर नहीं था, तो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स वाज द यूनिपोलर पावर. बाइपोलैरिटी का मतलब है दो डोमिनेंट पावर्स का होना. इसकी एग्जाम्पल है कोल्ड वॉर, जहां यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स और सोवियत यूनियन दुनिया के स्टेज पे दो ग्लोबल पावर्स थी. मल्टीपोलैरिटी का मतलब है सेवरल पावर्स capable of shaping global outcomes independently. Historically, हमने देखा कि यूरोप before First World War, Britain, Germany, France, Russia, Austria, Hungary was a multipolar system. So where are we today? This is where the debate begins. Some scholars says कि हम multipolarity के era में enter हो गए हैं because China, India, Russia and Europe are rising. लेकिन बाज़ लोग आर्ग्यू करते हैं कि the world is largely still unipolar because only the United States can simultaneously dominate. उसकी मिलिट्री रीच है, उसकी रिजर्व करेंसी है, उसके ग्लोबल अलाइंसेस हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी का इकोसिस्टम है और पावर प्रोजेक्शन अक्रॉस ऑल रीजन्स. China is rising but parity has not yet arrived. So here is the real key takeaway. The world is not fully multipolar. अभी हम उस स्टेज पे नहीं पहुंचे हैं, but it is moving beyond bipolarity. America and China और eventually we are going towards multipolarity. लेकिन ये जो transition के periods हैं, these are often the most dangerous periods in international politics. And history shows power transitions often create instability before they create a new order.